How's it, TOB family? Welcome to yet another episode on our weekly videos. A special thanks to every single one of you that's a member of this family. Your likes, your shares are really helping this channel. Please continue to do so. If you're watching and you're not a member of this family yet, please join us. It's easy, it's simple, and it's free. All you have to do is click on the subscription button, like the videos, and share them on your social media platforms. I know, simple, easy, free. Oh, and please leave a comment in the comment section. Your perspective on the subject could just educate me or somebody else. You never know. Okay, let's go see what piece of tech we're going to be talking about today. Come on. This is the Redragon Aries RD-H120 gaming headset. It boasts of a crystal clear mic that swivels 90 degrees, cushioned headband for comfort over the head, comfortable ear cups that's cushioned for a long wear time, noise isolation, and lots more. Price on this one, 199 rands. For 199 rands, this is yours. Now, in the subject of budget tech, this one really tops the chart. I've had this headset for 2 weeks and have streamed with it, and I can tell you I am amazed. First, the headband. The headband of this headset is cushioned and wrapped with a very soft material that feels like nubuck leather. It feels supremely comfortable. I like the hand stitching on it. Aesthetics. For the price of $199, I am shocked at the material used to produce this headset. It feels durable and not cheaply made. The ear cups are wrapped in soft leather and memory foam for comfort during long wear times. The ear cups cover your ears completely, helps with the noise isolation. The microphone swivels 90 degrees and the sound quality is great. Better than a lot of gaming headsets. I'm still surprised at the price of such quality. The only thing I think I can criticize about the build of this headset is the location of the volume knob. It's behind the left ear cup. I don't think it's a very comfortable position to put it. But above all, the audio production from the headset is great, and I think for the price of $199, it is a huge goal for me. Every now and again, we come across some of these devices that cost very little and performs outstandingly. Now, a lot of tech consumers are not even going to try them because cheap is associated with bad quality. Yeah, that is true in some cases, but then again, there are some expensive devices made by very popular brands that are trash as well. All I'm saying is, research some of these cheap devices. They might amaze you. Let me know what you think about it in the comments. Thank you for watching the video up till the end. Until next time, take care.